Transport security. Transport security is one of the component of biosecurity. Here, biosecurity is required to transport biological materials from one place to another, that is from and to restricted areas. Biological materials include pathogens. These are the microorganisms that cause disease in human beings. So it can be bacteria in the form of viruses, or it can be parasites. On the other hand, toxins produced by bacteria or by other microorganisms, they are also foreign. They are recognized as foreign agent by the immune system of human body. So these are the biological materials that can be transported from one place to another. Apart from this, we can transport pathogens in the form of cultures, in the form of isolated DNA, isolated RNA, or in the form of isolated nucleic acid. Now, when we are transferring biological materials within the country, we will follow National Transport Biosecurity Guidelines. But when we are transferring biological materials from one country to another, then we will follow International Biosecurity Guidelines. For example, you want to detect mutation in your PCR product, and for that you need a sequencing machine, but it is not available within the institution, but you have to transport biological materials from one institution to another, that is within the country. Then you will follow Pakistan Biosecurity Guidelines. But if you want to perform microarray, for example, it is not present within the country, then you have to transfer it from Pakistan to another country. Here you will follow International Biosecurity Guidelines. So, whether the transport of biological materials occur within the country or across borders, you have to follow the biosecurity guidelines. For international biosecurity guidelines, there are over 30 international biosecurity guidelines, but the most commonly which are adopted are of IATA, that is International Air Transport Association, and usually in Pakistan we follow World Health Organization biosecurity guidelines.